Hey champ, amazing great news for you. I've just created the Facebook group for bicycle flipping just to help you. So it's by invite only. If you've already bought the book, then you get access to it for free. Message me and I'll send you the link. If you haven't bought the course, get it now because I'm on this Facebook group. I'm answering my students' questions, what bikes to buy, what not to do, the pitfalls, the mistakes, so you win. The coaching is priceless, and I'm giving it to you for free. So if you already bought the book, message me, go to My Real Estate Dojo, message me, show me proof of funds, and I add you to this private group. If you haven't bought the course, I don't know why you're waiting around. It's where I teach you how to invest $100, turn it into 200% to 700% in a matter of days, and you're getting it all in a copy paste formula. Plus, now you're getting access to the coaching, access to me live on Facebook to answer every and all your questions. Download it now. The best side hustle dot mrnofluff.com. Again, the best side hustle dot mrnofluff.com, or just go to myrealestatedojo.com and then click on the top left where it says the bicycle flipping course. See you in the Facebook group. I'm in there live, and I love to meet you, meet your goals, and help you succeed because when you win, I feel good and warm inside. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, peace.